Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Okay, so in our previous lab, what we did is related to our mini project definition discussion and one program. Now, we have already seen what is functions. So now we will be able to do the programs which are related to functions, right? So here, first program is to swap the values. So that is using call by value and call by reference. We are doing the swapping. Okay. So this program we have already seen at the time of our theory, right? But here we have to combine those both the programs into one program. Getting my point? What we need to do is we just need to swap our value by with the call by value as well as call by reference. Done. Definition is clear to you guys. Definition is clear. I'll put that PPT for your reference, right? But at least definition is clear. I hope. Everyone, at least reply yes or no. Okay, fine, Rahul. And one more thing to add, you have to upload your assignments, I mean your 1 to 8 practicals on Google Classroom. That what I've already instructed in your WhatsApp group, right? So in Google Classroom, you have to upload your 1 to 8 articles. You have to paste your code as well as your output screen according to the format which I have attached in that assignment creation. Okay? At the time of assignment creation, I have attached one format of the Word file, right? In that format only, you have to paste your code as well as output screen, right? After that, you will convert it into the PDF file and then you have finally, you need to upload it on Google Classroom. Okay. And the deadline is 15 August. So before that, you just need to upload it. Marking would be, I already said this thing many of the times, but then also I'm repeating this thing again. Marking would be based on your activeness in the lab. Otherwise, everybody would be having almost the same code, right? But how I'll differentiate for the marking? So at the very first lecture and at the very first lab, I already said that how much you are active during your lab sessions, that will be considered in your marks. Fine. So marking would be based on that. So that time don't ask me, ma'am, I'm having same code as the other person. Then why I'm getting 3 marks and he's getting 5 marks? Okay. So that would be totally depends on your lab activeness. You have just started your session and you will just come for the attendance at the last, then you will not get the marks. Whenever I'm saying asking you anything in between the lab and at that time you are able to answer it, so in that case only you will get the full marks, otherwise not. Fine. So hope you will be active. Maybe for the very first practical I'll ignore this thing, maybe. Fine. But now onwards you will be full on active in the lab sessions. Okay, full on active in the lab sessions. So if I'm asking that your definition is clear to you, only two persons are replying me. So maybe others are not listening me. Maybe, right? Only two persons are saying that they have clear with the definitions. So will you able to do this program by your own first? Will you try it? If you are not able to do it, I'm here only. Okay? Then I'll do it for you. Fine? Hope the things are clear to you. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, Hitansh. Fine. So I'm audible to you guys at least, right? So, okay. Very first program, that is to swap the two values using call by value and call by reference. So just start performing it, right? Start performing your program. Okay, okay, fine. I'm giving you 5 to 10 minutes, right? After that, if you are not able to do it, I'll do it for you. Okay? Don't worry. Here I'm sharing the screen, right? And where you can find it out, the call by reference and the same example that we have used, right? You just need to do what? You have to take two programs and just need to combine into one. So you just make two functions. One is swap underscore value and the another one swap underscore reference. REF. Anything you can take, right? जो नाम रखना है, you are allowed. So in that way, you have to call just functions from the integer main, right? And it will do call by value and call by reference in single program. I hope you are doing the program, and once you will finish it, just let me know by message in chat that you have completed it. Okay. Okay. Anjali saying done. Rahul is saying done. What about the others? What about the others? Aditya, Divyansh, Hitansh. Okay, doing it fine. Nilesh, Prachi, Yojit, Yuvraj. Fine. Okay. So, meanwhile, in between, I'm writing, right? Here I'm having one function that is about the call by value. And I'll simply copy this whole program, right? This program to my temporary programs, right? Fine. So here I'm having a swapping that is with the call by value. So I'll take the function name as swap underscore value. Right. So that would be a meaningful name. Here I'm doing the swapping like I'm just taking third variable integer temp equals to A equals to B equals to temp, and I'm just printing what is the value of A and B, right? Because if I'll not print these two lines, and if I'm printing only over here, right, then here no swapping has been done. Why? Because in call by value, whatsoever the change you are doing, that is just with the load copy, right, with the formal parameters. Outside of the functions, it won't be affected to your actual variables. So here you will get only 10 and the 20, right? So that is why I need to write the cout statement over here. So it will give me 20 and 10. Okay. And I'll add one more line over here, cout after call by value. Right. So after call by value, I'm getting this. Right. Then here I'll write after call by reference. I'm getting this. Okay. Or I'll do this. Fine. Now from integer main, you are just calling right now call by value. So here the function name would be swap value. Now same way you would be having the call by reference. What would be the change? I'm just copying this, right? And here I'm pasting. And I'll make it as swap by reference, REF. Only change is you have to write this ampersand sign. That's it. Okay. And for the difference only, I'm just making it M and N, right? Otherwise, it's perfectly fine if you are not changing variable names. Then also it will work. Okay. But I'm doing it. Right? So here is the temp is equals to M is equals to N is equals to temp. This is my swap by reference. Only change is in formal parameters in your function definition. At that time, you have to add this ampersand sign. That's it. It's so simple to remember, right? Whenever I'm calling this function, it would be exactly like this. No change, right? And here I'll do ref. Simple. So first time I'm calling the function which is called by value. Second time I'm calling the function which is called by reference. Okay. In call by value, I need to write cout statements inside the function only, right? Because outside it is not affected. That is why. And okay. And here in swap by reference, it would be changed even if you will call or even if you will write those cout statement outside of the function, right? So I'm writing outside of the function here in integer main. You can even write it down into the function only. So that is also fine. No problem. Here also you can write those cout statements over here. Fine, you can. But I'm just showing you that even if you are writing those statement in integer main, then also it will work. Okay, then also it will work, right? So let's run this program. See this. After the call by value, A is 20, B is 10, right? Same way after the call by reference, after swap A is 20, B is 10. Done? So we are getting the swapping of two numbers by both the way, call by value and call by reference. Hope you are not having any doubt in this now. It's just control C and control V for at least call by value and reference. Nothing to do with it. And we are doing the program since 15 minutes. Then also you have not yet finished. Now it's done, Hitansh, Divyansh, Nilesh and Prachi. Now it's done for you guys. Or still you need 5 minutes? Let me know. Okay, Divyansh is saying done. What about Nilesh, Prachi, Hitansh? Okay, Hitansh is saying done. Are you there? Prachi, Nilesh, are you there? Waiting for your reply. Yeah, Nilesh is saying done. Fine, if you need some time, you can still ask for the time. I really don't mind, but at least reply. Yeah, okay, fine. Yuvraj, what about you? Yuvraj, are you there? Yuvraj, fine, leave it. So this was our very first program. Now the second program, what we need to do is just please pay attention. Okay, so you'll get to know what we need to do is. Hmm. Here, write a function called zero smaller. Okay, so function name is zero smaller. Zero smaller. And we are passing two integer arguments by reference. It is said to be that it is having two arguments and it is passed by reference. So what I need to add over here? Anyone? Which operator I need to add over here?
Ampersand.
Yes, ampersand, right? So I have to write like this. So it is said to be that I have passed by reference. Okay. Now what I need to do is then set the smaller value of the two numbers to the zero. That is only our task. Now what I need to check if the value of I is smaller than the j, right? I just need to compare those two numbers. Whichsoever the value is the smaller one, I just need to set that value as 0. So if I is less than j, then I need to set I is equals to 0. Same way, we'll check for j is less than I, and I'll simply set j is equals to 0. And I'll check else. What it would be, both the numbers are the same one, right? If I've entered both the numbers same, I and j, 5 and 5, say suppose, then the simply message should be printed over there that both the values are same, right? So we will not change any of the value or we will not alter any value. Simple. From integer main, what you will do, you will call this function, right? Zero smaller, you will call this function, and after that you are printing some cout sense that after the function call, now the value of I and j is this. Okay, getting my point? And these two values will be entered by the user. So here you will do that scene wala statement, two variables a or b, something like that, जो variable लिया है, right? You will simply enter it from the user. Getting my point? And I hope the definition is clear to you guys. Okay, so start doing it, start performing it. If you are not able to do it, I'll do it at the last. Okay, Yuvraj, are you there? Again, I'm asking because you have just started the session and you will directly come at 2 o'clock for attendance. Is it so, Yuvraj?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Atan.
Yeah, I was just
Yes.
disconnected. I was in the meeting from the very beginning.
Sorry,
I was just disconnected, so I
I'm
joined
not
again.
getting.
Baki, or
Yeah, yeah, that is.
sorry?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, that is fine. I'm asking to Yuvraj
Okay.
Khatri right now. So, you want to know the definition again? So I can repeat it, Hitansh. Should I repeat the definition
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you?
If you can, please.
Okay, fine. So what we need to do is, this is our definition, that write a function that is called zero smaller and that is passed two integer arguments by the reference. So it is said to be that you have to pass the argument by reference. Then set the smaller value of these two numbers, that is to 0. So I have taken one zero smaller function where I am passing two arguments by the reference with this ampersand sign. So it is passed by reference. Now I'll check between these two values that who is the smaller one. So I'll check if I is less than 0, then what I need to do, smaller value will be 0. So I'll simply make I is equals to 0 because I is the smaller. Else if, again you have to check for the another condition that j is less than I. If is it so, then I'll make j is equals to 0, or else you have entered both the values same. So at the last you have to print that both the values are same. That is in else condition. Okay, getting it? And from the integer main, you are taking the two numbers from the user, you will call the functions, and after that you are writing the cout statement and you are printing the actually two variables a and b again, right? After function calling, because it would be changed, of course. For example, you have given a is equals to 5, b is equals to 10, right? But after the function call, what would be the value? A is equals to 0 and b is equals to 10. Why? Because a was the smaller one. So I made it equals to 0. Getting my point? I hope the definition is clear to you guys and you will be able to perform it. Okay. Okay, fine. Do it. Otherwise, I'll do it. Okay. After 5-10 minutes, I'll do it. Please let me know the status of the program. Okay, Anjali, Divyansh, Kandarp, Hitansh, they are saying done. Yes, Rahul. Fine. Divyansh, again you were asking, ma'am, please explain again. I've repeated 3 times the definition. Okay, fine, done. Great. Okay. Fine, so I'll write that program for you. If you are still not able to finish it, fine. Here I'm having my function. Sorry. Here, void 0 smaller, right? Where I'm passing integer ampersand I and integer ampersand j. Now here I'll simply check if I is less than j, then what I need to do, I is equals to 0. Else if j is less than I, so at that time I'll make j is equals to 0. Else what I need to print in cout, you have entered both values same, right? This I can print. Okay, so this function is over, right? Now from integer main, what I'll do is I'll take two integer numbers, first integer a and b. Now I'm telling user that enter the value of a and b, right? Then scene a, b. Done. Now I'll call the function. So this function is not returning anything, so I can directly call from here only. Fine. And if function is returning something, then I used to call my function from this cout, right? So here directly 0 smaller a comma b. Okay, 0 smaller a comma b. Now after the function call, value of a is a and b is b, right? Then so I'm just printing the value of a and b after the function call. So what it would be, right? So I hope everything is done and there is no error. Let's check. Okay, enter the value of a and b. So I'll give first 5 and then 10. So after the function call, value of a is 0 and b is 10. Getting it? Yes or no? Right? Second time, when I'll give first value as 10, okay, first is 10 value for a and b is 5. So after the function call, value of a is 10, but b is now 0 because b was having smaller value. And when I'll check for both the similar values like 10 and 10, So it will simply say you that you have entered both the values same. So after the function call even, value of a and b will remain as it is. Right? Done? So any doubt in this? Anyone? Anyone who was having any doubt? What about Prachi, Yuvraj, Yojit, and Prachi? What about you? Yuvraj, Yojit, and Prachi. What about this program? Am I audible to you guys? Yeah, but have you finished your program, Prachi? Have you done your program? Because after a few minutes, I'll ask you guys to share your screen, right? Randomly. Prachi, have you done your program? Finished? Okay, fine. Then every time just write it down in a chat that you have done the program because I'm asking that how many of you have still not yet finished. Okay, fine. And Yuvraj is sleeping right now. He's not here. Fine. Next program. You have been given one equation, mathematical investment equation, that is V is equals to P into 1 plus R raised to N. This is your equation, right? And for the different combination, you have to print the value of PRN, right? And the value of V. But before explaining this, I would just like to show you my desired output, okay? What I want actually. So for that, mhm, fine. So this is my desired output. Now you will be more clear about it. Okay. What I want is first time P is equals to 1000. Okay. Then it will be increased by 1000. Means second time 2000, then 3000, and at the last 10,000. Same way, rate of interest that will start from 0.11 instead of 10. So just make it correct, right? So first time 0.11, then 12, and at the last it would be 0.20. So it is increased by 0.01. Okay. Then you are having value of n, that is number of years. That is 1, 2, 3 m up to 10. And for this you have to calculate V. So V is equals to what? P, that is your principal amount, multiply by 1 plus r raised to n, and you will be having answer this. Second time p would be 2000, here is 0.12, here's are 2, and this is the answer. And this way, in table format I want this output. Now you get to know. Otherwise, very simple program, you will simply take one for loop and fine. So that's it. But here the main thing is what? Formatted output. This is what I want. Formatted output. Okay. So you can even use the slash t, but I don't prefer it. Instead of that, one C++ feature that we are having. So to introduce that feature, this program has been added, right? So why to not use that? So what should I use over here for formatted output? Would I need to use over here? Anyone? Yes, Rahul. Set W, right? So set W is there for setting the field width, right? For setting field width. So that I'll use, and I have to do this program, right? Otherwise in program there is nothing new. We will simply take one for loop, right, which will run 10 times. In that you have to put the formula related to v, that is v is equals to p into 1 plus r raised to n, and for raised to n we are having already power function pow, right? So we can directly use it pow function, and you will get the first thing. Second time you have to increase p by 1000, you have to increase r by 0.01 and n by plus 1. Okay, and again you will calculate v. So simple, you are having 10 to 12 lines of program, but this formatting is me. Getting my point? Yes or no? I have shown you my desired output, right? What I want is, so will you do it by your own first, right? Okay, fine. So try it out by your own, else I'll do it at the last. Fine? Okay, fine. I hope everyone have finished the program or not yet. Kandarp is saying done. What about the others? After that, you need to share your screen, right? So after 10 minutes, I'll randomly ask anyone to share their screen. All three programs you would be having. And in Google Classroom, you already know there is, a functionality of the plagiarism. So please don't share your programs with anyone, right? At that time, what will happen? You will be in trouble because both of you will be having the exact same program just like the others. So don't share your programs with the others, right? Instead of that, the people will do it by their own, right? Otherwise, you will lose your marks. Whosoever is sharing the program, he will also lose their marks. Fine, so I'm writing over here, right? No worries. If you have not yet finished, you can just check it out over here, right? So first thing what we need to do is we have to include the related libraries. So one that what we are including, that is IOStream every time. Now we are going to use over here power function, POW. So for that CMake library is required, and for the manipulator setw I need to include IO manip, right? So there's three libraries I'm including using namespace standard integer main. And now here I'm just initializing my values, like p is equals to 1000, that is my very first value. Here n is equals to 1, that is again my very first initialized value. Then float r is equals to 0.11 and v, that what I need to calculate. Okay, after that, now what I need to do is in cout, first I want these lines, right? This line. So this is optional one, right? If you will put, then it's, if you don't want, then also it's okay, right? But I prefer it, it looks good. Okay, so instead of hash, you can choose any of the signs over here, dollar, at the rate, anything. I'm choosing right now star, right? Then and then, so it will be in next line. Now the next desired output is what? P, R, N and V. This should be printed, right, in well format. So here I have set my field width is equals to 50. If it would be 10, then your table will be nearby, right? Your P will be printed from here. If you will set it at 10, I have chosen as 15. So cout out, and I'll be having set W of 15. But whatsoever you are choosing, for each and every field you will choose 15 only, or 10 only, or 5 only, right? It wouldn't be like that one case you are choosing set W of 5, then for other set W of 10, then your output will not looks good. Okay, so I'm choosing 15, so I'm just copying this. So every time I don't, sorry, I don't need to write this again and again. I'll just copy it. Now in set W, what I need to print? P. Okay. After that, it was R. After that, there was N. So it's N. And after that, you are having finally your V. Done. And at the last, end. So we will be in new line. Done. Now again, what I need? This thing. Okay. this thing. So I'll be having this copy paste only. Control C, Control V. So we'll get exactly same. And ending would be same. Okay. After that, now I'm having my actual things where I have to put my for loop and all, right? So I'll take one for loop. We are having two options. Either you need to take one another variable named as integer anything. So if I is equals to starts with 1, then I is less than or equals to 10 and I plus plus. Okay, this loop also will execute from 1 to 10. So instead of that, what I did, I have taken directly n over here, right? So n is equals to 1, n is less than or equals to 10, n plus plus. Why? Because at the last I need to increment at last. Okay. Here, what I need to do after my one calculation, this calculation, my P should be incremented with the 1000, R should be incremented by 0.01, and N would be incremented by plus 1. So I need to do that increment for three variables. But if I'm using n, then I just need to increment p and r because n will be automatically increment during for loop. Fine? Getting my point? So what I'm directly doing over here is v is equals to p into. Now I will use power function. In power function, I have to write 1 plus r, and here in comma I would be having n because 1 plus r raised to n, that is my formula. Say suppose you want to do x raised to 2. So what you need to write in this power function? Anyone can unmute and answer. Anyone?
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
If I want to do x raised to 2, then what I need to write over here in power?
मैम x, 2.
Yes, right? So it would be x comma 2. If it is x raised to n, then x comma n. If it is 1 plus x raised to n, then you have to write over here again one another bracket, that is 1 plus x raised to n, right? So same thing what I did, 1 plus r raised to n. Fine. So I hope you are aware of the power function, and if not, then I've already explained, right? So this is how you are applying your power function. So P into power of 1 plus R raised to n. This is how your V has been calculated at very first time with the value of P is equals to 1000, with the value of R is equals to 0.11, and for the n, that is 1. Getting my point? Right. After this, first time it is calculated and my loop will be incremented. Before that, I need to increment my principal amount by 1000 and my R with 0.01. This I need to increment. I need to increment n is equals to n plus 1 if I have taken another variable over here. Getting my point? If I have taken I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. So at that time I need to take another variable and I need to do this n is equals to n plus 1. So instead of that, I have not taken another variable. I have taken here only over here in loop. So I don't have to write this line now. Okay, so I'll do it. Fine. After this, This loop will be executed 10 times and I'll get this table till this. Now what will be in the next line? I need this again. Okay, so I'll put again this C out and control C, control V. So I'll get the exact star. Okay, return 0 and function is over. So it's just 10 to 12 line function, right? But okay, one more thing. After this, my PRNN I have not printed. Okay, just I've calculated my V, but now I want what? I want to print this thing, right? I want to print this thing. I have not printed yet PRN. So again, what I need to write over here, C out. Again, set W of 15. So I'll copy it, set W of 15. Then what I want to print, P. Okay. Same way, what I need to print, R. Again, what I need to print, N. And then what I need to print, V. Okay. So after that, I'll be having candle every time. So my output will be into the next line. Simple. I hope this thing is clear. After calculating my V, I'm simply printing this value. And after printing this, I'm incremented my P and R. Hope it is clear. So let's check our output, if any error is there or not. Sorry, I'll not close this. Save and I'll run. So this is what my output is. Is this the desired one, right? What I wanted is, you are getting the same answer, hopefully. Okay. Yes or no? Now here, say suppose wherever I'm finding my set W of 15, I'm making it set W of 5. Then what you will get? Okay, fine. Set W, set W, set W. Why this has not been replaced? Oh, no. Okay, and I'll run this program again. So have you seen this screen? How much space it is having? Okay, this is 15, this is again 15, this is again 15, and this is 15. Now I done set W of 5. So how you will get the output? It would be very near to each other, right? No? So you will get the output like this. So here, the hero of this movie is whom? Set W, right? Here the value of N and V are together, okay? And it's no space in between it. Now again, set W of 5, instead of that, I'll be having set W of 10. Okay, we'll save and run this for you. Done. So this is set W of 10. You will not get much space over here between N and V. So I have chosen set W of 15. And if you will choose the set W of 20, there would be wider space between PRN and V. Getting this thing? Hope you guys are not having any doubt. Anyone who is having any doubt, then let me know. Done? Done with your program? Okay, Anjali. Done. What about the others? Because you are going to share your screen, right? One by one. We are having sufficient time. Okay, so let's start with. Okay, Yuvraj has left. Good. Why 9 only? One more have been left. Aditya Vyas left. Okay, just write down your enrollment number first. Okay. So only 9 people will get the attendance. I mean, including me. So 8 only. Just write down your enrollment number into the chat. Divyansh, Rahul, Anjali, Kandar, Nilesh, and Hitansh. Write down your number into the chat and you are going to share your screen. Okay, one by one. Only 6 people are here. The rest of the others have already left. So you can understand that why they left. Okay. Okay, no worries. Fine. The 6 people will get the attendance. Anjali, Divyansh, Hitansh, Kandar, Nilesh, and fine. Okay. Anjali, will you share your screen? Okay. Fine. Everyone just do it quickly and be ready, huh? Divyansh, be ready. Hitansh, Kandar, Nilesh. Aditya, why you have left? Why you left the meeting?
मैम नेटवर्क इशू मैम नेटवर्क इशू मैम
Aditya. Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. Because meanwhile, I see that just write down your enrollment number into the chat. So this many people will only get the attendance. So just write it down your number into the chat, and after Anjali, you are sharing your screen. Okay. So please, all the guys, please do it quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anjali.
ma'am, you are presenting it, so I cannot present it.
So fine, I'll stop presenting. Right. Otherwise, there would be no issue. But still, if you are facing, then I'm stop presenting. Now you can share your screen, and after that, Aditya, you will share your screen, right? All 3 programs. I'll check it out.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah. Yes. 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 Just show me your programs. Okay. Okay. This is your first program. Then second one. Okay. Fine. And swapping wala program. Call by value, call by reference. Yeah. Okay, fine. Fine. Great. You can stop sharing. Right. Fine. Aditya, you are ready?
हेलो मैम,
Aditya.
मेरे पास अभी लैपटॉप नहीं है.
So you can even share it with your mobile also, dear. It's fine.
बट मैम ये कोई साइट ही नहीं खुल रही है मैम.
क्यों नहीं खुल रही है भाई? आज क्या है? कौन सा दिन है आज
अरे
कि आज
नहीं
साइट
मैम,
नहीं खुल रही है?
नहीं
छुट्टी
नहीं
है
साइट.
क्या?
अरे
हाँ.
चल ही नहीं, मतलब नेट ही नहीं चल रहा.
अरे dear, you are throughout present, right, in Google Meet. If a Google Meet is working, then every
नो मैम.
site will be work.
अरे जैसे कि मैम वो जो ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर है वो ओपन तो हो रहा है, बट उसमें कोड जैसे रन नहीं हो रहा है. पता
क्यों
नहीं क्या हो रहा
अंजलि,
है.
क्या तो हुआ? क्यों ऐसा क्यों हुआ? सारे प्रोग्राम्स में ऐसा हुआ?
यस मैम.
सारे प्रोग्राम्स में ये हुआ?
हाँ मैम, जब वो साइट खुल रही है और बाद में मेरे लिखा हुआ आ रहा है कि कनेक्शन लॉस्ट लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
So dear, whenever you have said it's done, it's done, it's done, so what I should understand about it? Done कैसे हुआ प्रोग्राम?
नहीं मैम, मैंने नहीं लिखा है डन, मैंने आपको लिखा
नहीं
ही नहीं है
लिखा
वो.
है? अरे, तो फिर आपको अटेंडेंस कैसे मिलेगी आदित्य?
अरे तो मैम नेटवर्क इशू, मैंने आपको पहले बोला. आज में 2 बार तो अचानक अपने आप लेफ्ट हो गया है इससे.
यार दैट इज फाइन, वो तो मुझे भी कभी कभी फेस होता है, सो दैट इज ओके. मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स वी आर फेसिंग दिस
मैम
इश्यू.
मैं और ट्राई
Network
करता
is
हूँ मैम.
not in our hand, so that is okay. But at least you have done your program.
यस मैम, मैं एक बार और ट्राई
I'm
करता हूँ.
presenting my screen, ठीक है? So at that time it will hardly take 1 minute. It will hardly take 1 minute. Many of the time I even left. So it's okay
ओके.
because network is not in our hand. But within this 2 hours, you were not able to write a single program. We have only done 3 programs. इतने छोटे छोटे से तो प्रोग्राम्स है यार.
यस मैम, पर मैम मैं आपको, आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे तो मैं आपको स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देता हूँ. वो वैसा हो रहा है, बार बार ऐसा लिखा हुआ आ रहा है कि जैसे मैं उस मतलब सफारी में जाके ओपन कर रहा हूँ तो लिखा हुआ आ रहा है कि कनेक्शन लॉस्ट लिखा हुआ आ रहा है. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, आज सुबह से नेट ही नहीं चल रहा है.
Fine, Aditya. I really don't have words to
तो
say.
मैम मैं
मतलब
आप
मैं क्या बोलूँ?
नेक्स्ट
क्या बोलूँ
नेक्स्ट
मैं
लेक्चर में
आपको?
मैं आपको बता दूंगा. बाकी जैसे नेट आएगा तो मैं बता दूंगा.
Fine. What else I can do?
यस मैम.
Hello, Divyansh. Can you share your screen? Divyansh. Yes, share your screen quickly. उसके बाद हितांश, be ready. It won't take much time, right? Yes, Divyansh. Yes, Divyansh. Okay, zero smaller wala program. Okay. There you have used this pointer, but we don't have to use that, right? Because this is pure typical C language things, right? This is typical C language method where we were using the pointer and ampersand, but now wherever it is said to be that call by reference, at that time we have to use C++ method for call by reference, right? So we are not using the star, means pointer and ampersand. Instead of that, I've already shown you the program, right? Fine. Another one. Okay. Dear, just वापस से करो वो program. Previous one. Yes. Here you just okay, fine. So you did the same thing in for loop, right? Okay. And here in swapping program, okay, just down arrow, down, swap by value, reference. Again, there you have used same thing because see, on net this thing will be available, right? The typical C language method is available on net. So I prefer that don't use it. As I already said,
Okay, ma'am.
you have to use call by reference with this way only, then why you are using pointers and ampersand? Why you are using it? where I already said. So see, do your programs by your own, huh? Otherwise I won't give you the marks. Okay, Divyansh. Chalo, Hitansh, you can share your screen. Yes, Hitansh. Share your screen.
Ma'am, can I show you from camera? Cause I'm logged in the meeting from my mobile and I'm working on my computer.
Fine, it's okay. Show me in that way. Yeah. Okay, just stable your camera so I can see it. Stable your camera, don't move your hands much. Fine, otherwise the clarity will not be there. Okay, fine. The next one, next program. Okay, that is about zero smaller, right? Here you have used pointers, I think, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes.
But this method I don't want there, that I already said. Call by reference means you have to use C++ method. Okay, next program. Fine. Okay, it's not so much clear, so I cannot say anything else, but fine. Okay. Next, Kandarp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen there. After that, Nilesh, be ready. Okay. This is called by again. There you did the same thing, Kandar.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
you are using the pointers? I mean, because it is available on net, you guys are doing this, right?
No,
But
no.
I already said that you don't have to use this method. Then also you are using it. This is not C++ method, right? And we are
Yes.
learning right now C++. So
Yes.
whatsoever that you are getting, that is from the net. I really don't want. I don't want any programs copy paste from the net. I want you to make these programs. और मैं क्या नहीं सिखा रही हूँ, मैं आपको पूरा डेफिनेशन एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद आपको पूरा टाइम दे रही हूँ प्रोग्राम करने का, उसके बाद भी आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है तो मैं यहीं पे होती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मैं खुद प्रोग्राम लिखती हूँ। अब इससे तो ज्यादा मैं क्या करूँ, आप बताओ। चलो, then also you are, why you are using that typical method only? Fine, zero smaller. Over here also you did the same thing. Why? But why? Have I said this?
No.
Then
This
चलो
was
set.
easy. That's why.
इट इज नॉट इजी एट ऑल। आपको वो वाला इजी नहीं लगता जहाँ पे सिर्फ m% का एक साइन लगा दो, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली कंपेयर योर टू वेरिएबल्स आई एंड जे। मुझे ये इजी बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता। डोंट नो हाउ यू आर रेफरिंग इट, इट्स सो इजी। आई रियली डोंट नो। राइट, सेट डब्ल्यू। Okay, fine. Here also you have used this for loop and all. Fine, but some of the things, I mean, I'm teaching some of the subjects of the language like C, C++, Java, Advanced Java since आई मीन 10.5 years, बट जैसे ही कोड देखते हैं ना वो मतलब आंख में चुभता है कि नहीं ये उठाया हुआ है, लाइक एक ग्लांस में पता चल जाता है, देखते ही
मैम
पता चल
आई हैव
जाता
रिटन दिस कोड बाय माई सेल्फ,
है। ओके फाइन,
कहीं से नहीं
नो
उठाया
वरीज, फाइन। आपने नहीं उठाया है तो आपने किसी को शेयर किया हुआ है, बिकॉज
यस
एवरी टाइम वेयर या सो एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग द सेम थिंग, अगर आपको ये चीज इंक्लूड करनी ही थी तो आर भी तो कर सकते थे, वो क्यों नहीं किया?
क्या
आर आर की वैल्यू है, वो भी आप यहाँ पे फोर लूप में ही रख सकते हो,
मैम,
वो
वो
भी कर सकते
डबल है
थे।
ना तो वो नहीं जाता फोर लूप में।
अच्छा, ओके फाइन, उसका भी तरीका है, बट फाइन, ओके चलो leave it. Right. So don't share your programs. I'm again repeating this thing. Don't share your programs, क्योंकि एक ही टाइप के प्रोग्राम्स 10 बंदों के पास आते हैं ना, देन इट इज सेड टू बी दैट कि किसी एक ने ही किया है, बाकी 9 ने कॉपी किया है. So you will also get the less marks if you have done this program by your own, right? Don't do it.
यस ओके
Okay.
मैम।
Yes, Nilesh, share your screen.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, Nilesh.
मैम मैं
हाँ
स्क्रीन
जी,
प्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकता, मैंने फ़ोन में लॉगिन किया।
हाँ
फ़ोन में लॉगिन किया, मैं लैपटॉप में दिखा देता हूँ आपको, कैमरा
ठीक
ओपन
है.
कर।
One sec.
दिख रहा है मैम?
हाँ, बट थोड़ा स्टेबल रखो, डोंट मूव इट मच.
ओके मैम।
Somehow fine, it's not so clear so I cannot say anything, but what you have used in reference, pointers or what?
नो मैम, स्वैप पॉइंटर्स नोट इंटीजर।
है ना, I'm asking that have you used pointers? नहीं ना,
नो मैम,
ठीक है, okay.
नो।
Second program, zero smaller, okay fine. Third, set w, set w. It is not so clear so I cannot say anything.
रुको मैम, दिख रहा होगा, दिख रहा है।
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है फाइन. Okay, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there is screen.
I'm visible.
One second. Yes, visible. Okay, fine. Next, zero, zero smaller. Okay, and third one, set W. Okay, fine. Okay, done. Fine. Rahul, you don't have to write that explicitly, right? Because set W will work with right only by
Okay, ma'am.
default. If you want to make it left, then you have to write explicitly that this is left. Otherwise, set W will be right justified by itself, by default. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So guys, this is only for you only. Otherwise, if you will do the programs or not, I'll be not having my salary increment based on your programs, right? This is only for you guys. If you are wasting your internet pack behind this, then at least you should get something, right? So just to watch the programs, you will not be able to write the programs. Okay, सिर्फ देखने से ही programs आ जाते तो सब कोई यही करते. If you will implement, you will face the errors. At that time only you will get to know, right? And if you are weak in your logic, so I don't think so in computer IT field you will be having any multinational company job, right? So still you are having much time. If your C is not so good, you can brush up your concepts. Please focus on the C++ because if you don't know C++, you won't get Java into the next semester. If you won't get Java, you won't get what is the advanced Java. If you won't get advanced Java, you don't know what is .NET, ASP.NET or any language. So your whole career is based on the programming language, and that is why I'm insisting this thing. Please do your programs by your own. Otherwise, I really don't mind if you are doing or not, right? Fine, that's all from my side. If you are having any query, then you can ask, or anyone who is still remain with their mini project definition and they want to discuss anything, then you are having 5 minutes, let me know. And if not, then we'll finish this session. Let me know if anything is there from your end. Anything? Oh. Fine, okay then. You may leave. Thank you all. Happy holidays.